Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'd like to unbox with you a nice bundle I got off eBay for 150 euros. The bundle included this Xbox One S, then one controller, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and an original Xbox stereo headset. So let's start with the headset real quick. Here's the front, one side with some information, stereo headset, cable adapter, other side with the same information. That's the back, so that's the headset, that's the adapter, that's the cable. Then you can open it up. Yes, always very hard with one hand, so it's supposed to sit in here, but no, it's just laying in here. Oh, the cable is very thin actually. And here is the cable, and here's the adapter that goes straight into the controller. Yeah, that's like nothing in here. Yeah, and let's come to the main protagonist, so to speak, the Xbox One X itself. It's the 1 terabyte 4K ready version. Again, I thought that 150 euros is a very good price for this whole setup. So here's the console itself, and I believe in here are all the cables. Yes, that's the USB cable here, and that's the HDMI cable for the TV, and that right here is the power cord for the console. Yeah, this will be very hard to get it out with one hand. I'm so afraid I will drop this. Just let me do this off screen very quick. Yeah, and here's the console itself. That's the top. Here you have the front. Here's the... What? Let me search for my finger. Here's the here's the power button. Here's the DVD/Blu-ray drive. And on the back, let me turn this around. On the back here you have your power cord input, your TV out, SCART, 2 USB, HDMI Ethernet port here. Here's your IR out port, and here's your laser connector port. Yeah, and that was my little unboxing for my Xbox package I got off eBay. I hope you liked the video. If you want, you can leave a comment or press the like button or whatever. Stay safe, stay healthy. Till the next video. Bye bye.